Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and pondered what secrets the universe might hold? The cosmos is an enigma, an expansive mystery that has captivated the human mind for millennia. Throughout history, we've been driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore and understand the vast unknown that lies beyond our world. This desire has fueled our quest for knowledge, propelling us into the abyss of space. The journey to uncover these secrets began more than half a century ago. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century, a time of competition and innovation. The world was experiencing a technological revolution, and the stage was set for an epic race, not on land, but in the infinite cosmos, the space race. In the late 1950s, two global superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, found themselves locked in a fierce competition. Their battlefield was not Earth, but the vast, unexplored expanses of space. Each sought to prove its superiority not only in terms of military might but also in scientific and technological prowess. The dawn of the space age was marked by the launch of Sputnik in 1957 by the Soviet Union. This was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth, a small metal sphere that emitted radio pulses. Sputnik's launch was a significant achievement, a testament to human ingenuity, and a definitive beginning to our journey into space. However, the Soviets didn't stop there. They continued to pioneer space exploration with the first manned spaceflight. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to orbit Earth. He completed one orbit in approximately 108 minutes, traveling at a speed of 27,000 kilometers per hour. Gagarin's journey was a monumental moment in human history. It shattered the limitations we had set for ourselves and opened up a realm of endless possibilities. The Earth was no longer the boundary of our existence, we had become a spacefaring species. The space race sparked a wave of innovation and discovery, propelling us into an era where space exploration became not only possible, but a reality. It inspired generations to look up at the stars and dream of the possibilities that lay beyond our own planet. This was just the beginning. The best was yet to come. The year 1969 marked a significant milestone in human history. It was a year that would forever be etched into our collective consciousness, a year when the impossible became possible, and the cosmos became a little less distant. This was the year of the Apollo 11 mission, a mission that took us where no human had ever set foot before: the moon. Apollo 11, a mission led by NASA, the United States Space Agency, was not just about exploration. It was a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the ceaseless pursuit of knowledge. It was the culmination of years of meticulous planning, tireless work, and unwavering commitment by thousands of individuals. The spacecraft carried 3 astronauts: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. But it was Armstrong, the mission commander, who would become the first human to walk on the lunar surface. As the lunar module, affectionately known as Eagle, touched down on the Sea of Tranquility, a wave of anticipation swept across the world. Armstrong's descent from the lunar module to the moon's surface was a moment frozen in time, a moment that held the world's breath. And then, those famous words echoed across space and time: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." With these words, Armstrong encapsulated the enormity of the feat. It was indeed a small step, a mere footfall on a celestial body. But it was also a giant leap, a leap that transcended physical boundaries and signified the limitless potential of human endeavor. The lunar landing was more than a scientific achievement. It was a symbol of hope, a testament to the spirit of exploration, and a beacon illuminating the path to the future. It changed our perspective of our place in the universe and expanded the boundaries of the possible. As we look back on that historic event, we are reminded of the extraordinary power of human curiosity and the boundless potential of the human spirit. The moon landing was not an end, but a beginning. It opened the door to a new era of exploration and discovery. With one small step, mankind leaped into a new era of exploration. As the 1970s dawned, the world witnessed a new chapter in space exploration. The Space Shuttle program, unveiled by NASA, was a giant leap forward in our quest to understand the cosmos. The program's inception marked the beginning of an era where space was no longer an unattainable frontier, but a destination. The space shuttles were a marvel of engineering and technology. These reusable spacecrafts were designed to carry large payloads into orbit and return them safely back to Earth. They were the workhorses of NASA, making regular trips to space and back, like interstellar delivery trucks. one of the most significant missions of the Space Shuttle program was the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope in 1990. The Hubble has provided us with some of the most stunning images of the universe we've ever seen, helping us unravel the mysteries of distant galaxies and nebulae. Another milestone was the Shuttle Mir missions in the mid-1990s, a series of collaborative missions with Russia that marked the beginning of a new era of international cooperation in space exploration. The shuttles carried supplies and astronauts to the Russian space station Mir, paving the way for the future construction of the International Space Station. Then there was the construction of the International Space Station itself, a joint venture involving 5 space agencies from around the world. The shuttles played a crucial role in carrying components and crew to the station, helping it grow from a single module to the sprawling complex it is today. But the Space Shuttle program was not without its tragedies. The Challenger and Columbia disasters served as stark reminders of the inherent risks of space travel. Yet, these tragedies did not deter us. Instead, they spurred us on to improve, to learn from our mistakes, and to continue reaching for the stars. The Space Shuttle era brought us closer to the stars than ever before. It was a time of monumental achievements and heartbreaking losses. It was an era that pushed the boundaries of what was possible, forever altering our perspective of the universe and our place within it. As the new millennium began, mankind embarked on its most ambitious project yet. A project that would not only push the boundaries of human innovation and engineering, but also serve as a symbol of unity and cooperation. This marvel of science and technology is known as the International Space Station, or the ISS. The International Space Station is a space station or a habitable artificial satellite in low Earth orbit. Its first component launched into orbit in 1998, and since then, it has served as an abode for astronauts and cosmonauts alike. The ISS is a joint project between 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA, and CSA. This multinational collaboration is a testament to the power of shared vision and collective effort. The construction of the ISS is a marvel in itself. Imagine assembling a floating laboratory racing around the Earth at a speed of roughly 17,500 miles per hour. It's like building a ship while at sea, only the sea is space, and the ship is the largest structure humans have ever put there. The purpose of the ISS extends beyond just being a home to astronauts. It's a hub for scientific research, providing valuable data on the long-term effects of space travel on the human body. It's also a platform for testing technologies that could be used for future space missions. Moreover, the ISS plays a significant role in fostering international cooperation. It's a place where scientists and astronauts from different nations work side by side, sharing knowledge and resources, and working towards a common goal. The collaboration between nations in operating the ISS shows how space exploration can bridge cultural and political divides. The International Space Station, a beacon of human achievement, is a testament to the power of cooperation and the relentless human spirit. It's a symbol of our quest for knowledge, our drive to explore, and our ability to turn the stuff of science fiction into reality. The ISS stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where you could take a vacation not to a different country but to a different planet. Mars, our red neighbor, is not just a speck in the night sky anymore. It's a destination, a new frontier for mankind to conquer. A number of missions are slated to make this dream a reality in the coming decades. NASA's Artemis program aims to put humans on Mars by the late 2030s, while private companies like SpaceX have their sights set on even earlier expeditions. But the future of space exploration isn't just about human travel. It's about life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life continues to captivate us, with missions like the James Webb Space Telescope set to probe distant exoplanets for signs of life. These missions could answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Space tourism, once a fantasy, is now becoming a tangible reality. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are pioneering a new industry, offering the thrill of zero gravity and the breathtaking view of our planet from the edge of space. The future of space exploration is not a distant dream. It's happening now, shaping a new era of discovery and adventure. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we must remember, the final frontier is just the beginning. From the launch of Sputnik to the construction of the ISS, we've come a long way. We've ventured from our home planet, landed on the moon, and built a floating laboratory in space. Each step has been a leap forward, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the possibilities seem limitless. As we continue to reach for the stars, one can only wonder, what will we discover next?